Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this channel, we'll talk about how to solve complex problems with AI and make it easy for everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a website where you can create your website in seconds. No coding needed. You don't need to be a developer to build your website. Okay, um, so it's just a straightforward video, no bluff, no wasting time, and we just get straight to business. Okay, so the name of this website is Lovable. So with Lovable, you don't need to know how to write any line of code. You just need to know how to prompt. So this is this one, the first lovable.dev. That is it. Lovable.dev. Look at it here. You click on lovable.dev and here you are. So this is where you sign up. Sign up with your email or with your GitHub account. So let's just make it easier. I'll just sign up with my Google account. If you don't have a GitHub, if you don't have a GitHub account, you can sign up on GitHub. Probably I'll make a video on how to sign up on GitHub. Okay. So here you just sign up with your Gmail account. Press on continue, but make sure that your Gmail is already logged in into your PC or your mobile device that you are using to do this. If not, you can just add in the details from here, email and password, and you sign up. Okay, just click here to continue. This of my spare emails. Continue, and so you add in your name, and then how did you hear about us? You heard us on just no YouTube here. Just click on anyone, Google, personal, founder. If you're a founder, you want to use it to create your MVP, you can use it to create your MVP. Let's say you're a founder, yeah, you want to create a SaaS company or design landing page or website, then just click on landing page. Let's click on landing page. Then here you're not adding your prompt, all right? Let's say you want to build a dating platform. Okay, this is just the name I added. You're adding your name, just wrote E4S. So you just add in your name or your company name. Then here is where you put in your prompt. This is where the work is because it's going to prompt exactly what you give it. Okay. But let us make it simple for the sake of this video. Just make it simple, but make sure your prompt is detailed. So let us make it very simple here. Create a landing page um for a what we use meditation and yoga brand called what's the name of the called? Okay, called Med Yo. So meditation yoga. So Medio. So let us see. All right. So it will start building up the website. Click out on that. That's a new version. You can click on it and get a new version. But if not, just click out on that. So this is so I started creating, analyzing the job. Look at it, thinking. So with this platform, you can create a full working website. So once you are done with that, you can now connect the back end with Subas, GitHub, and the rest of them. But if you want just the front end to see how it will look like, it's a responsive landing page just to see how it will look like. This Lovable AI is the best so far. Very clean, professional, and easy to use. Just adding your simple prompt and everything is done. All right, let's wait for it. In less than 5 minutes, it will be done. You can be looking at the progress from here, from this start space. You can see it's working now on the features section here. So it's actually working, really, really working on it with just simple prompts. I just gave the simple prompt, no stress about it, no detailed prompting, just simple prompt. Just give it a task. Give me a website of yoga brand named, Mayu. So it's writing the testimonials of the website. This is crazy. This is crazy. Writing the classes section. Okay. It's writing the footer of the website. If you're a web developer, you understand all these terminologies. So it's writing the footer right now. That means it's done. It's started building from the top down to the bottom. So now it's gone. So now it's almost done. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, now as you can see, it has generated everything. I just had to pause the video because I mean it was taking time. But least mass time to produce this is 5 minutes. All right. Now this is the website generated. As you can see, Medio, home, about, classes, testimonials. Okay, find your inner peace, join the peaceful community, transform your. All these things were generated from Lovable. Okay, so guided meditation, yoga classes, journey, audio journeys, and all that. And this is it's so crazy how it added all these things. So view all classes, you can view all classes. Then what are the community saying? It even added testimonials, right? So here it's crazy, added contact list and everything. So what we'll do is just publish, click on publish. Then here, look at this arrow, click on this arrow. It will give you, this is exactly the demo of what you're looking for. So let's say you want to hire a professional developer, you can just develop this thing, send it to the person and say, this is exactly what I want. All right. So this is exactly what I want. Give me this kind of stuff. But if you still want to keep developing from this Lovable, then you can now start connecting your backend with Subas, like I said, or with GitHub. You can change this to the code, can copy this code and start building by yourself. But if you're not good in all that, you can easily go to fiverr.com. You can easily go to Fiverr, yeah. You can easily go to Fiverr and hire someone for penny, $20, $30 and get it all done, right? So you can also go and hire a web developer. You just click on web developments and boom, you see people that will handle the job for you for, less than a penny, right? So you see $85, see $85, depending on exactly what you want. All right. On your budget, see $80. So typically, if you just have $100, you get it done, right? $80. That's what price. If you want a pro services, just click on pro and it's done, right? So that is that. So you can always come to this website and hire a freelancer to do the job for you. 300. This is for pro. If you don't have the money, just go to the non-pro guys. So you can just hire someone to do the job for you. All right. Category, select the category. You don't want WordPress, you want web development. Okay. Here you have $85, $80. So basically you can come here and hire somebody to do the job for you, right? But this is where you can use to create the demo of what you want. I will always share new tools and things I find around the internet. So do well to subscribe also and share to your friends. See you in my next video.